In the news tonight, President Rodrigo Duterte demanded the resignation of Energy Regulatory Commission officials after getting reports of rampant corruption inside the agency. The president's pronouncement comes days after the suicide of ERC bidding chair Francisco Villa Jr., who claimed in his suicide letter that he was pressured by his superiors to approve anomalous deals. More details from Rocky Ignacio.
President Rodrigo Duterte demanded resignation of Energy Regulatory Commission officials after getting reports of alleged corruption in the agency. The president issued a directive following the suicide of Bids and Award Chair Francisco Villa Jr., allegedly pressured by his superiors to sign anomalous contracts.
Demanding that they all resign. Kasi nabasa ko yung internal pati yung intelligence. Talagang binastos nila ang, I don't know, just like in the past. Sinabi ko na sa inyo, sa kaliit-liit kong ito, and just a small town, province boy, ayaw ko talaga yung corruption. They must resign. I have options, file a case against them all, or demand that no money will be appropriated. Nihiring pa yan ngayon eh. Bigyan ko siya zero. Or if they want to spare the humiliation of sitting there without their money, they resign, and I will reorganize or rename the silang lahat. They have to resign.
The president was dismayed by the incident and ordered to file cases against the unnamed ARC officials allegedly involved in corruption in the agency. President Duterte also asked Congress to either withhold ERC budget or disband the agency.
Itong lahat ng opisyal, lahat sila, they have to resign. Pamili sila, I will ask Congress, I demand from Congress to disband. Wala nang, or file a case simultaneous sa kanila when I get back. I think yung source ko has the document na. So wala nang problem. It's a matter of the lawyers now of government assessing. Na mabutit malaman na nila bago maglanding. Kaya magdasal nila na lang sila na
The president issued a statement before leaving Lima, Peru for the APEC Leaders Summit. He said there are no sacred cows under his watch. President Duterte is set to have a show at State Television Network PTB4 where public complaints will be personally addressed by the chief executive. The program.
Yeah, I want it.
It's already on air.
Leave the technical guys, ano na. Kasi sa ano pa yan eh, ang connectment sa smart. Lima basta na i-video mo yung complaint, yung mismong, they have to do something about it. Connect mo doon sa computer na, paglabas sa cellphone mo, maglabas doon sa ano. But ganun ang gusto ko. Di sana meron yan noon, nasumbong na yan lahat. But ako, actually, marami na ang nagsasabi sa akin. Ang iba, puro intriga kasi yan, hindi mo in-appoint yan. Hindi ako nakikinig ng ganon. Right at the start, wala akong ginawa. Ayan, may fixed term yan, pero hindi yung tao mo, ganon. Wala akong sabay, yung may fixed term.
President Duterte admitted to receive many complaints, including the hiring of unnecessary consultants.
Meron na yung mga questionable na, so if I have the appointments, maraming consultants, sobra-sobra. Mas marami pang consultant kasi presidente. Ako hanggang assistant secretary ka lang. Kung consultant ka, ang boy, walang sweldo yan. Lahat ng consultant dito, 1 peso a year ako. Yan, nababasa ko na. Dahan-dahan lang. Of course, ang pinakamahirap dyan, Rocky, ang contract. Because you have to, yung sa itong mahirap kasi itong 3019, is it the anti-graft?
For PTV News, Rocky Ignacio, Lima, Peru.